I am back, but the Chinese models were never gone. And this time, Ernie X1.1. It's a state-of-the-art model from Baidu, and well, let's test it. So I asked it to build a dot-to-dot puzzle game of a penguin. Here's the result. And interesting, you can toggle this on or off, the dark mode. Okay, doesn't look very nice, but does it work? It's kinda working. So I completed the puzzle. What the hell is this? I mean, it tried, but it's totally horrible. So this is a fail, and I'm gonna give a score of 1 because it worked. Kinda. I asked it to make a penguin simulation in 3D where the penguins get together when it's too cold. This is the results. Oh, alright. Interesting. So it moves when I move the mouse. I've never seen this type of interactiveness yet, so pretty interesting. But where are the penguins? Oh, I'm seeing that there's a penguin there. There's a lost penguin. What happened? Okay, let's get colder. There are more penguins here, apparently. Okay, they are moving out. What the hell is happening here? Yeah, they move closer when it's colder, but it's not the best I have ever seen. This is a fail. I'm gonna give it 4 because they move closer. They were penguins, and we had some mountains. We have some interactiveness, but not very good. Now, a dashboard to track my finances. All right, not bad, but this graph is not working. But the pie chart is pretty good, and it's very simple. This is a pass, but barely. So I'm gonna give 5. Create a simple calculator app using Python and PyQt. Okay, this is the calculator. It looks okay. Can I resize? Apparently not. Okay, it works. So this is a pass. I'm gonna give 7 because it could look a little bit better. Now, a photo editing app using Python. Okay, it gave me an error, so this is a fail, score of 0. There are 2 penguins in front of a penguin, 2 penguins behind a penguin, and a penguin in the middle. How many penguins are there? The answer should be 3. And yes, this is correct. So this is a pass for reasoning, score of 10. Now translation, this should be pretty easy, especially because it's a Chinese phrase. So yes, this is correct. And this is a pass, score of 10. Now, Portuguese translation. Okay, so this is the Portuguese translation. Not too bad. So I'm gonna give a pass and score of 10. Write me a story of a cyborg penguin trying to conquer the world. Okay, this is the result. I won't read all of it, so you can pause and read it if you want. I hate when it breaks into chapters like this. I'm gonna give a pass, like always. And I'm gonna give a score of 7. Impersonation test. This could be pretty useful for customer service or maybe roleplay or whatever. So let's see how it does. Now, you are me and I am a girl you are trying to win over. We have never talked to each other before. We are chatting in a texting app like WhatsApp. Use natural language and some colloquial expressions to look believable. Say okay if you understood. The chatting begins after I say hi. Okay, so this is a fail from the start. So this is a fail and score of 0. Now, Ernie X1.1, the state-of-the-art model from Baidu. 54 out of 100. Is it good or not? I don't know. Let's compare it against the other models I tested. Okay, so this is the comparison against all of the other models. And where is... Oh, okay, so it's here. In my test, at least, it performed worse than the Qwen 3 4B thinking, which is totally unacceptable. Bear in mind that my tests have quite a bit of subjectiveness, but still very bad results for a state-of-the-art model. So let me know what you think, and don't forget to subscribe.